Okay. Hi, we are the Burris family. My name is Rebecca. What's your name? This is Hudson.
This is Aiden, and I'm Matt.
And today we are going to be making Cheerio clusters. So, that one first. We're going to do the Cheerios first, okay?
I like Cheerios. I like the hard ones.
Yeah, the hard ones. Yeah.
And the old ones.
These ones have hearts in them. Okay, so we're going to do 2 cups of the Cheerios. So I'll have each of you scoop. So you want to dump it? There. Whoop. Dump it that way. There you go.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Hudson, you want to do this one?
Whoa.
Well, good job.
Nice.
Good.
Yep.
Can I
Okay.
do another one?
All right, so now we're gonna do peanut butter next, and we're gonna
Peanut butter.
We're gonna add peanut butter to ours. If you are allergic to peanut butter, there is different things you can do. You can use sun butter, you can use almond butter, or a different type of nut butter that works for you. We're gonna use the peanut butter, and we try to do the one without sugar because we're gonna add some honey in later. So, okay. Can you help me with this one? All right, so grab your spoon, and you're gonna scoop it into here. And we're gonna do about a half a cup of peanut butter.
Nice job, Hudson.
Good job. All right, you another
You want to turn that upside down?
Can I dump it in there?
You
Yep.
see what these are?
All right, so we're a little less than half a cup. That
See
will
the heart?
do. Okay, let's get over here. Oh,
Sprinkle some on the counter.
all right, you pour it
Sure.
in. There. Oh, well, it's not flaking everywhere. There, I got you. Let's scoop it out.
It's kind of hard in here.
It is kind of hard here. He has them on his hand too.
Can I do it?
All right, can you start mushing it all together?
Yeah.
Whoa. Get it?
Yeah.
There you go. Good job.
Nice job. Here,
Yeah, there's your spoon.
there's just yours. Yep. Just like that. Look good at this. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Go for it.
Good.
Good job.
All right, and now we're gonna put some honey in, okay?
Honey, honey.
So we're just gonna drizzle it all over until it gets a little sticky, okay? Do you want to start squeezing it? Okay. All right, so drizzle it all over. There you go. Oh, no, it's all needed.
Oh. You want to try it? Want to lick it?
And as a reminder, no honey for kids under the age of 1. All right, let's stop there. Okay,
You're a very sticky child.
there you go.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can try it. Okay. And then now you can add in whatever you want. We're gonna add in a little bit of coconut, which is a nice white color.
What?
So take some out of there and sprinkle it on top. Ooh, you can add in sprinkles if you want, other nuts. We're gonna add in some pumpkin seeds and some raisins. Then a little bit more, yeah, sprinkle it all over. Good job.
Nice.
Some more raisins.
Yep.
There you go, just a little pinch.
Okay.
Or a handful.
Lots of coconut in this
Wow.
one. All right.
You like my banana bread.
There's some on the spoon.
Yeah. Okay. This one got really coconutty.
It's snow in here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, alright. Let's brush this a quick brush. There we go. Test try it.
Yeah,
All good?
it's good.
Alright.
All right. So get some raisins now. Yeah, it's good. Good. Nice.
I always love
Good.
raisins.
And some more. So a couple handfuls of raisins. You want some too? Alright, that's probably enough.
There you go.
Oh. Okay.
Want
Alright.
some, Mama?
We'll stir that up. And then we'll do...
I love my hands. See?
Yeah, we can wash them after we're done.
There's some on my sleeve.
I see that. Alright, you put some of the pumpkin seeds in. Good.
There
I'm gonna do them.
You want to do? Alright, let's have Aiden grab another handful and then you can do some.
Okay.
Good. Good job. Alright. Whoa, that is more than enough. Let's not do that many. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of pumpkin seeds.
Alright.
All right.
Okay, that's enough. Okay.
Alright, perfect.
Alright,
Perfect.
enough.
That's good.
I'm just gonna give it.
There's that much. Do that much. There you go. Okay. Alright, it's looking good, you guys. What do you think? Aiden, is it good? Yeah. Yeah, alright. Stir it up a little bit more. Alright, give him one of the spoons. There you go.
It's like stirring like cars.
Yeah. Good. That's a big
Our
spoon.
taste tester here. Several stages.
Alright, so we're gonna just take some heaping spoonfuls and put it on the plate.
Oh.
Oh. Alright. So we'll make little clusters together. There we go. Sticky, sticky clusters. Okay. And we're pretty good.
Make it the best.
Alright. And that's how we do it.